नमस्ते। वेलकम टू केफी सोल्स।
फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम आपसे भुजंग आसन के पोजेस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेसिक पोस्चर ऑफ योगा। सो ये जनरली हर फ्लो में किया जाता है। भुजंग आसन एंड पर्वतासन मोस्टली हर फ्लो में होते हैं। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड कि उसको कैसे प्रॉपर वे से किया जाता है, कैसे इंटेंसिटी आप बढ़ा सकते हो एंड कैसे प्रिकॉशंस ले सकते हो सो दैट बैक पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं आता। So, if you're a beginner, so normally what people do, they start directly lying down, lie down. So, अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे हो तो आप हाथ डायरेक्ट चेस्ट के इधर रखोगे तो वो डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा। तो what you can do, you can come on your elbow, yes. And now from there आपको सीधा elbow उठाना है and up and hold. तो ये जनरली पीपल करते हैं। तो इसमें क्या होता है, लोअर बैक पे प्रेशर आता है। अगर आपको लोअर बैक पे प्रेशर आ रहा है ये करने पे, तो देयर आर बेटर वेज टू डू इट इन अ मच प्रिकॉशनरी वे। ओके, तो यू कैन गो डाउन। अगर ये करने पे प्रेशर नहीं आ रहा है देन यू कैन इंक्रीज द इंटेंसिटी बाय लाइंग डाउन ओनली। फिर आपको ब्लॉक्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। तो हम लोग ब्लॉक यूज कर रहे हैं। व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम जस्ट प्लेसिंग अ ब्लॉक नियर द थाइस, थाई के इधर। अब सेम चीज आपको सबसे पहले भुजंग आसन में जाने के लिए यू नीड टू रोल बैक योर शोल्डर्स डाउन एंड देन अप। सी, तो आपके पैर नीचे की तरफ पुश होने चाहिए। आपका एब्डोमेन हवा में रहेगा। जितना एब्डोमेन हवा में रहेगा लोअर बैक पे प्रेशर नहीं आएगा एंड यू विल फील अ गुड स्ट्रेच ऑन योर एब्डोमेन। एंड दिस ऑल्सो विल इम्प्रूव, आपको नी पे प्रेशर आने से भी बचाएगा ये चीज, बिकॉज आपने थाइस के इधर ब्लॉक रख दिया है तो आपका नी नीचे रब नहीं होगा मैट पे।
There could be a possibility while you're doing this, many people what they'll do, they'll keep the abdomen down and they just lift in this manner, which will give more pressure on your back.
Yeah.
You have to lift yourself with the hand strength and make sure that the abdomen is in the air and the feet is touching
down
to the floor.
Yes.
So this will give you a proper pose and you can hold this.
Okay, go down. Now we will increase the intensity. तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, दो और ब्लॉक ले रहे हैं and I'm placing a block near its chest like this. Okay, now again shoulders roll back. Yeah, initially when you're practicing, it is not necessary to keep your feet together. Just remember that. Initially when you're practicing, it is always advisable to keep it far. Once you're comfortable with that practice, then you can keep it together. Okay? Chale. Now again up, shoulders roll back, up. Yes. Now you can see such a nice posture is coming. When we elevate ourselves, it gives a good space to stretch more. और जगह बन जाती है और आप उसको स्पेस मिल जाती है और आप उसको वर्क कर सकते हो अच्छे से। एंड इफ यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू इंक्रीज द थाई मसल विद दिस भुजंग आसन, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप हल्का सा नी को, थाइस को बेंड करके एंड देन यू कैन स्लोली प्रेस इट एंड रिलैक्स, गो डाउन। नाउ we can still improve the intensity of this. So अभी हम लोग ने ब्लॉक ऐसे रखा है, अभी हम लोग ब्लॉक खड़ा रखेंगे and what we will do, we will keep it near our rib cage now. Yes, and now shoulders roll back, up and hold. तो हेजल, आपको क्या डिफरेंस लगा तीनों पोस्चर में करने में?
So in the first pose, it was quite easy. It was quite relaxing actually. In the second, of course, the core got involved and I was able to stretch in a particular manner, but I was not able to take it at the back. But in the third, I'm easily able to take myself back. It is more elevated and it is giving a good stretch on the core as well as a little bit of pressure at the back.
Yeah. Okay, relax. So whenever you do Bhujang Asan, so you need to remember the basic steps. Always chest near, hands near your chest or near your rib cage. Once we are now we are showing you the Bhujangasana without block. Hands, it should be straight, 90 degree. Shoulders roll back. Now inhale, up, 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 up. And relax. So this is a proper way of doing it. Once you do Bhujangasana, it is always necessary to release those back muscles which got contracted to some extent. So you always sit in child pose. Yeah, if somebody is still having a pressure on the lower back after doing all this workout, so what you can do, you can just sit on top of the lower back like this and release those muscles. It is always necessary to do the counter आसन. तो वो जो प्रेशर वहाँ पे बिल्ट हुआ है, वो मसल पे बिल्ट हुआ है, वो इमीडिएटली रिलीज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अदरवाइज दिस कैन क्रिएट अ डिस्कम्फर्ट. वो आपको डिस्कम्फर्ट कर सकता है एंड यू कैन हैव अ प्रॉब्लम इन ऑल योर हाउस और डेली एक्टिविटीज.
Basically, we have demonstrated the Cobra pose right from a step of a beginner to a little more advanced. This will help you prepare in getting to the actual Cobra pose. This will help you develop good strength and also hold the pose for a longer duration. Practice this on daily basis because this is a step which is needed for doing your intermediate to advanced yoga. Right, Ji?
Yeah, true.
Anything else that you want to add? One point before you could take it over, that when we come from the first to the second to the third, do not be in hurry from taking it to 1 to 3.
Yeah.
Right? So always make sure that you are doing the first step, then you come to the second. If you think that you are not able to achieve the second step, please go back to the first step and hold, because maybe the strength is not that developed. We have to build the strength to be there in the second pose. Then you come to the second and then to the third, and then you can take it ahead from here.
Yes, true, very true, rightly said.
Thank you very much for watching this episode. This is going to help you in multiple ways. It is going to help in the back pain, in developing good strength, in the overall body mobility. So please do practice, share it with your near and dear ones. Make sure that you motivate each other to do yoga and do some form of exercise so that you can stay fit. We look forward to hear from you. Please let us know that whether you are at the first step, second step or the third step. So we also get to understand our audience is whether they are connected with us and which is the pose that they can hold for that particular duration. Keep watching. And do let us know if you want to watch any kind of or learn any kind of pose. Please do let us know and we will demonstrate it for you. Thank you very much.